till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Nagalit
All
pa eh,
troops
parang ako.
deployed.
Nakuha pala niya yun sa akin, no? Yung pag lumalapit. Yung mga ganun. Nagumihinto eh, no? Nagawawala. Ayan na yan. Nilalamig ng ilalim ng kama din. Bakit naman ganyan ang post? May ihig naman.
Mother, I know you are watching over me.
Gusto na yun. I-adjust pa it.
Where to next? First blood. Forefathers, I need my answer.
Baba na lang kawawa. Baka gusto niya makagata. Di ma? Ano ni? Dali. Ay, inantok na yan din. Ano yung gusto niya? Ano naman nakatulad ito? Inantok na yan.
Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the
Maganda rin
past.
yung nasa taas ng ano. Ano ba trip pa niya? Ano yung saksakan ng mahirap? Saksakan.
I'll carry my faith to the grave. Gather up the turtle!
Kailangan mo yung parang ano, nakaganon, nakalit. Anong sintawag doon? Yung parang tanong nakaganon.
Huh?
Gather up the turtle! Understood. I have to be strong enough to shelter my
Yung
people.
kayo, yung...
Ano yung ganyan? Oo, nagre-reload ako din.
Icefield warriors, don't bring shame upon our ancestors' glory. The past is the past. Ally has been
Mulat na naman yung lata. Ay, mulat yung building. Ay, gusto na nakatingin sa akin.
ally has slain
Ito na
the
naman
turtle.
ang laway ko.
Diba anong tawag doon?
Request backup. Understood.
Yung pa-letter U.
Let me clear
Tapos
the way.
meron...
I will not dishonor the name you gave me.
Ayun, kasi nakabilang ko.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
Ay, diba?
Past is the past.
Tigas
A
lang yung
warrior's
pangit.
strength
Hindi ka pa mag-anak
comes
ng
from
isa, eh.
everything she loves.
Susog po.
Initiate retreat.
Ito yung parang nilalagay sa garay. Yung parang nilalagay sa dito. Yung kasi may bako na maliit.
A true warrior would give life to the things she wants to protect.
Ginagawa lang ako sa tanong.
Ano
Your
nga
team
yun?
destroyed a
Nabayo
turtle.
na naman ang madudo.
Initiate retreat.
Ano nga yun?
Okay,
Yun? Yung nilalagay sa gripo.
Cornelio?
Hindi ko yung parang plastic na nakaano.
Okay.
Parang letters. Tapos may pako na maliit.
Understood. Initiate retreat.
Clamp?
Okay.
Post club? Pipe club?
Oo, yun. No.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Wala. Di mo pinapansin eh.
Ay, ano ni? Tata. Sandali, dinaganan mo ko. Buksan mo na. Gusto ko. Ay, di buksan mo muna ito para malamig ka. Init eh. Ayan na si ma'am. Di ka gutom na naman. Timpla mo na kayo.
A
Di mo kasi
true
pinansin
warrior
yung
would give
tagal na
life to the things she wants to protect.
Alam mo
Ano
naman.
ni? Ha?
Triple kill! That was amazing!
Hindi, naantok na pag gano'n nandun. Iba yung, alam ko iyak niyan pag sleepy na.
Daddy?
Ano ni? Hindi daw, hindi. Na yan. Itutok mo yung una niya kaya sa umiyak ko. Malayo na
Ah,
yun.
inaantok ko siya.
I speak truth. Don't bring shame on our ancestors' glory.
Si Army daw.
Namiss niya yung tita Army niya.
Yeah.
Forefathers, I need my answer.
Grabe, ginawa mo managdala ng sasakyan.
Request backup. Understood.
Nagagamayan ka siguro. Saka ba't isang itlog lang yung lakas? Takbo.
Di ba bakit binibintan na yung itlog?
Huwag nang pugo.
Only I had the power.
Itlog
Mahal
lang
daw
po.
yun eh. Niluluto na daw yun sa mga mga mamahaling restaurant.
Mother, I know you are watching. Team, destroy the turret.
Ne.
Is the path. Firm control.
Hila-hila mo. Sa bis.
Not ready.
Ginawa cambio ng sasakyan. Manakit lang. Hayaan mo lang siya. Hayaan mo lang, baby. Hayaan mo nantok na. Hindi niya magpatulog yan. Ayaw niyang pag ginagalaw.
Dali, nasasagin pa ako sa pakay.
Ayaw niya na may dumidikit. Yan.
I'll carry
Ganun yung
my
boses
faith
niya.
to the grave.
Sleeping na. Saka pag nakahiga na akong ganito, kampante na. Ano na magpatulog na, re-repin mo lang yung unang ng pabalik ko. Pag nangalay na yung leeg mo, doon na tulog na.
Ne.
Dami.
Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret. Killing spree. Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past. You have slain an enemy. Enemy rampage. Request team destroyed. Understood. Ult is not ready.
Nagugutom na din.
Ay, sige, pagigay mo.
I have to be strong
Tata
enough.
na, Amam.
An ally has slain killing spree. Request backup.
Pag
A warrior's strength comes from the
Didi.
attack.
Ay,
Okay.
naantok na.
Turret has been destroyed.
Tingnan mo mamaya, nakasandal sa yung tulog mo.
My axe begs to
Ang
differ.
tagal bago naman.
Follow Lord. strength comes from everything she loves. Huh. Huh. Huh.
Initiate ultra not ready. Team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Superb control.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain.
I have to be strong enough to shelter my people. Where to next?
Launch attack.
Past is the past.
Request backup. Okay.
Mother, I know you are lost.
An enemy has been slain.
Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past. If only I had the power. Huh. 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 Forefathers, I need my answer.
An enemy has been slain.
Request backup, warriors! Don't bring shame upon our ancestors' glory.
An enemy has been slain.
Past is the
Launch attack.
A true warrior will give life to the things she wants to protect. I will not dishonor the name you gave me.